Hi viewers, this is Ranjit. Today you will learn how to download and install anydesk. See, I am going to use Google Chrome browser. Type here anydesk download. You will see the first link, download anydesk, your remote desktop software for Windows. Click on first link. Okay, it will going to show another window. Click on download again. Okay, anydesk is downloading the .exe file. Click on directly, double click, otherwise you can use show in folder. Okay, here also you can click on download anydesk.exe, double click. Okay, it will open that window. Here this is your anydesk application. See, this is your address. Who wants to connect? If you want to install, here this is the second option, install anydesk. Click on that one. Okay, accept and install. You will see, select yes. Now it is going to install. If you have installed the application, you can find out the shortcut will be created on your desktop. This is your shortcut, so that means the program has been installed. This is the one identification. Okay, thank you for watching.